How long a dental implant lasts? It's like a natural tooth. They last for long time. However, I should mention that it requires home care and maintenance, the same care that you provide for your own dentition, your own teeth. For example, proper oral hygiene, brushing and flossing, and periodic checkup by your dentist or the implant specialist. Those are very important. In addition, periodically they have to take an x-ray to monitor the level of a bone around the implant, because sometimes when you have excessive pressure or the oral hygiene is poor, you may develop bone loss around the dental implant, and the bone will be resorbing around the dental implant. If the treatment is not done on time, you may end up losing the implants. In addition, it's like possibility you may fracture your own tooth, you may fracture the veneers or crown that you have. The same thing can be applied for the implants. You may fracture. In fact, I had one patient, I had placed 4 implants 20 years ago. One day he called me and said, my bridge is loose. When I saw the patient, he had fractured 4 implants in the lower jaw. You can imagine the amount of pressure, and the chewing force is tremendous. So all 4 implants were fractured from the gum line. We had to just remove all 4 implants, do the bone graft, and replace the implants, start all over again.